Adventure is calling, and there's one name that stands above the rest. Introducing the ultimate UTV rack, the pinnacle of strength, innovation, and American craftsmanship. Built to endure the rugged terrain and conquer any challenge, the Alpha Rack ADAP system is more than just a rack. It's a tool in the field, capable of carrying and supporting anything necessary for your wildest adventures. Life is not just a spectator sport. It's a passionate lifestyle fueled by hard work and an untamed spirit that chases adventure. Our UTV rack is your trusted companion, ready to tackle any adventure or task at hand. So whether you're scaling new heights, exploring vast wilderness, or simply seeking a new adventure, trust in the rack that sets the standard. It's modular, built to last, and proudly made in the USA. This is just who we are, and this is Alpha Innovations.